Hello friends, welcome to Learn English Daily. Today you will learn a real life English conversation between a girl and a boy with Hindi meaning. Watch till the end to improve your speaking skills. Hi Ria, how are you today? Hi Raj, I am good. Just a little tired. What about you? I am fine. Why are you tired? I woke up early and cleaned the house. Then I made breakfast and studied. Oh wow, that's a lot of work. Yes, and after that I went to the market. What did you buy? Just some vegetables and milk. Sounds like a busy day. Yes, but I like staying active. That's good. I was lazy today. Why? What did you do? I just watched TV and scrolled Instagram. Haha, that's okay. We all need rest sometimes. True. By the way, what are you doing this evening? Might go for a walk. The weather is nice. Good idea. Maybe I will join you. Sure. Let's meet at 6 p.m. Done. See you. Bye. Wasn't that easy? Now it's your turn. Try speaking these sentences daily. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends,